This is a 1968 Triumph 500cc Daytona. It's a project bike because I haven't had it running. This battery is flat that's on it. I've put a jump to it, kicked it, turns over with compression, it sparks, but I can't get it to fire. And I'm not going to spend any time on it. It seems reasonable condition. The brakes work, albeit not very good, but they are mechanically working. I've selected the gears. The clutch feels nice and strong. Got 11,928 miles on the clock. Not bad for its age at all. Nice project for you. That'll be on eBay or our website if it's available. Thank you.